We're working our way down the 10 steps for a successful kitchen renovation. Now, on the 8th step in our 10 steps is one that a lot of people have a little trouble with, choosing the right appliance, because there's so much out here to choose from, and it's really the ultimate fusion of style and function, because if you don't like the way it looks, you're not going to be very happy. If it doesn't do the job that you want it to do, you're not going to be happy either. So it's time for a little self-evaluation. How do you really use your kitchen? Do you entertain a lot? Do you cook a lot? Do you maybe use this more than you use this? All those things have to be considered well in advance when you're choosing an appliance, especially when you're working under a budget. Rob and Tina Hinkle are a young couple who went through just that process as they prepared for the transformation of their old kitchen into a new, more functional one. And they discovered that each had slightly different agendas in terms of appliances.
The appliances were definitely a top priority for us in the functionality of the kitchen. And Rob is definitely the one that cooks the most, and he had a good say in what we were, going to get. But the one thing that I've loved the most is the ice maker. That was one of my little perks that we had to get in there.